Hi lovelies, welcome back to my channel. For today's video, as you can see from the title, we're unboxing a subscription box, and this is from Glossybox. So if you want to see what's inside in the Glossybox November 2021, just keep on watching. Before I start, lovelies, if you're new to my channel, welcome. My name is Jayca. I'll do beauty videos like unboxing, subscription boxes, beauty haul, lineup, spoiler of subscription boxes, and more. So if you like this kind of video, make sure to subscribe. And if you're already subscribed, lovelies, thank you so much for tuning in again, and thank you so much for your continuing support. So yes, we're unboxing Glossybox November 2021. So this is a monthly beauty subscription box. It costs £10 a month plus the shipping fee, which is £3.25, and usually you receive 5 beauty items from makeup to skincare. But if you want to subscribe to this subscription box, I have my referral code, which is Jayca, Jayca, and you will receive this box for only £10, including the shipping fee. Let's open this one, shall we? So this month's box it's their classic pink box, which is really nice. I kept a few of these boxes because they are great to storing products. When you open this box, you have your black ribbon as always, and just like that. And then we have the booklet. This month theme is the beauty desires. Here we go. And then we have the sneak peek for next month. So if you don't want to see the sneak peek for next month, just skip this part. And for next month, December sneak peek, we have Inside by the Magic of Winter, our December Moonlight Glow. Glossybox is packed with products that will add a winter glow, and that of course includes our first sneak peek. The from LA Splash, the Midnight Glow Face Palette will help you to enhance your complexion natural luminosity, worth £25. It's an essential in your beauty bag during the upcoming festive season. Here we go. Hope you can see it. And also, lovely, it says here, whether you're Christmas shopping for a loved one or you simply want to treat yourself, the Glossybox Black Friday limited edition, so they were doing also Black Friday beauty box, is the perfect gift. Coming really soon, it will be filled with the most sought after beauty bites, and is always a huge favorite with all glosses. Keep your eyes peeled for more about this fab limited edition in the coming weeks. And they are doing also, loveliest, the Glossybox Christmas limited edition. It says it's one of our favorite edits each year, and bursting with incredible beauty bites from the world of hair care, skincare, and makeup. We're sure you will love it too. So yes, so exciting. More boxes to come. And then we have all the products inside with the description and the price. And it says, hey glossies, this month we're all about embracing elegant, timeless beauty. And our beauty desire Glossybox is sure to give your chilly November days a sophisticated touch. Let us tempt you with soft silk-like texture that cares your skin, and irresistibly rich makeup must-haves that will enhance your inner radiance. So we have the pink tissue paper as always. So exciting. Oh, they have a treat too this month, and so yummy this one, but we will talk about that one later. The first product we have here, and this one was the spoiler, and this is from ELF, the bite size eyeshadow in the shade Berry. And as I said in my last video, that I really wanted to try this eyeshadow before, because they are really perfect to travel. I'm just gonna try to open it. It will take me a while. So here is all the shades. Really gorgeous shade. These shades are perfect now. Autumn, winter, and I think it's all you have 2 shimmery and 2 matte. I think these 2 at the end are matte, and these 2 are shimmer. So yes, really gorgeous shade. This is our full size, and it's written for £4, and it says a little compact that will have big impact. This on-the-go eyeshadow quad features a combo of matte and shimmer shades that will perfectly take your from day to night. Rich, highly blendable, and in gorgeous soft pink and berry red colors, you are sure to make a statement, whether that's a minimalist or dramatic. So yes, can't wait to try this. And then we have, this one is from Human & Kind Moisturizing Hand Scrub, elderflower and raspberry. Yeah, this, I think this is a full size. It's quite big product. Yes, this is a full size. This one is rated for £12.85. So this one, it says, for super soft hands, we have the answer, because this scrub gently cleanses your skin to leave your hands feeling better than ever. Dried raspberry seed delicately yet effectively remove dead skin, while shea butter and sunflower oil ensure your hand feel hydrated and smooth. I never heard from this brand before. It has the seal, which is a really big thumbs up. I really like when it has the seal. Oh, it smells like fruity scent, very fruity scent. Oh, I'm so sorry. Oh, it smells gorgeous, lovely. It smells really, really nice. I love this kind of smell. It smells like fruity, florally scent, but it's not overpowering. Refreshing scent. I love it. It has those little particles, little thingy to scrub your hands. So feels really, really nice. My hands feels really soft now. I love the scent. I love the scent. And then the next one we have here, and this is from Karina, and this is a beauty blender sponge. This is a full size, and it's pink. Love the color. This one is rated for £8.50, and it says, because glosses always need a beauty blender, we all use them most days after all. In a gorgeous Glossybox pink shade, this beauty blender is perfect for applying your foundation, concealer, liquid blush, bronzer, and highlight. Getting into hard to reach areas with ease, it will blend makeup to perfection so you can achieve an ultimate flawless finish. You can never have enough beauty blender. I have few in here, but after like 3 months, to be honest, I always throw them just in the safe side. I never heard from this brand, so yeah, we'll try this. It's a full size. And then the next one we have is the deluxe mini, and this is from Commodity Paper. Never heard from this. Let's smell this perfume. Looks like this. Perfect for travel. I would say this is a travel size. It smells like, I can't really describe smell, but it smells like fresh. You know the Aqua du Jour Men scent? It's kind of like that, but it's more mild. It smells really nice. I love the scent. I think if you apply this product here, it will last you through the day, because the scent is here. And as I said before, lovelies, this kind of perfume I always preferred than the full size, because the perfume, I think it lasts throughout the day, in my opinion. And also this is perfect when you travel, or you can put in your handbag and you can bring it everywhere. So this one is rated for £13, lovelies. And this one, it says, this molecular skin scent combines woody ISOE super with touches of sweet amber for a lightweight and effortless glow that comes alive on skin. Part of Commodity's personal scent space collection paper, an intimate skin scent that embodies the concept of less is more. I love the scent. I really love the scent. I usually sensitive of the scents, lovelies, because those overpowering scents, to me, it gives me headache, like migraine. So this one is quite mild, so I will definitely use that one. And then the last product we have here, and this is from eCooking Cleansing Gel Normal to Oily Skin. It's a food size, lovelies, and this one is rated for £14.30. And this one, it says, containing ingredients such as organic sunflower oil that are moisturizing, nourishing. You will wonder why this cleansing gel wasn't already a part of your skincare routine, deeply refreshing your skin and removing unwanted impurities. It's perfect for your face, neck, and décolletage. So yes, this one, lovelies, we received this product and looked fantastic last month. I tried it, but it's not for my skin type. I have dry skin, so when I use this one, it really dries my skin more. So yes, I stopped using this one and I gave it to my husband because he has more like oily skin. It's quite gentle, this cleanser, but yes, it dries my skin. So I think this one I would recommend to those more on oily skin or combination skin. So yes, this is the last product, but we have few of treat inside. We have the extra refresher one, which is a love. We received this one before too, but also loveliest, we have from Thorntons the Pearl Share the Delight. We have two in here. We have the Hazelnut Delight and Salted Caramel Sensation. Oh, can't wait to eat this, but I need to take a picture first and then I will eat this one. So yes, that's all loveliest, and let's do a recap. So you have treats coming for you, and then you will receive a cleansing gel from eCooking, a full size one. You will receive smells gorgeous, lovelies, from Commodity Paper as a travel size perfume, which is smells gorgeous, as I said. A full size from Elf Bite Size Eyeshadow Palette in the shade Berry Bath. And then you will receive a full size beauty blender from Carina. And this one, I love this product. This is the most product that I will definitely use. From Humankind, the Moisturizing Hand Scrub. Smells lovely, refreshing, fruity. It has a bit of florally. It smells really gorgeous, and my hands love this. Feels really soft. So I will definitely use this one. I can't wait to use more this one. So yes, that's all lovelies. Overall, this month for me, it's a thumbs up. Just one of 5 products I would not use because, as I said, it's not for my skin type. But for the rest, lovelies, it's a really big thumbs up. So if you want to subscribe to this month box, I have my referral code, which is JAYCA, JAYCA, and you will receive this box for only £10. So yes, that's all for me, lovelies. What do you think of this month box? Are you waiting for this month box? Are you thinking to subscribe to this month box? What do you think of this month box? Just let me know in the comment below. So that's all for me, lovelies. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you do, make sure to smash the like button, and if you haven't already, make sure to subscribe to see more unboxing subscription boxes, and don't forget to click the notification bell so you know when I upload a video. See you in my next video, lovelies. Bye.